The firearms industry just released 12 new weapons that have military procurement officers, competition shooters, and hunting guides arguing about which one changes everything. We're not talking about incremental improvements. We're talking about a modular pistol that reconfigures to your hand size in seconds, a rifle barrel that refuses to lose accuracy even when glowing hot, and a weapon system so advanced the military is already placing orders before civilian sales even begin. These 12 guns represent breakthroughs that didn't exist 5 years ago. Let me break down which one is actually worth your attention. Number 12. The Smith Wesson Performance Center M&P 9 Shield Plus Performance. The gunmetal gray frame catches fluorescent light in the Springfield manufacturing facility as robotic arms assemble what Smith & Wesson calls their most significant breakthrough in concealed carry design. This isn't just another compact pistol. The Shield Plus Performance incorporates a dual-spring recoil system that reduces felt recoil by 37% compared to standard models. The engineering team at Smith & Wesson spent 18 months developing what they call the Performance Trigger System. Unlike traditional striker-fired mechanisms, this design incorporates a roller bearing that creates a clean, consistent break at exactly 4 pounds of pressure. The trigger face itself features micro-texturing that was originally developed for aerospace applications. But here's what makes this weapon truly revolutionary. A brilliant factory optic cut allows for direct mounting of micro-red dots so they sit perfectly low enough to co-witness with standard iron sights. The system maintains absolute zero even after thousands of rounds fired, something that was incredibly difficult with previous generations of micro-compact concealed carry pistols. The magazine design deserves special attention. Smith & Wesson's engineers created a 13-round capacity in a frame originally designed for 8 rounds. They achieved this through a patented follower design that maximizes internal space while maintaining absolute reliability. The magazine spring uses a variable rate coil that prevents nosediving even when partially loaded. Factory testing shows this pistol maintaining 1-inch groups at 25 yards with premium ammunition. That level of accuracy in a concealed carry weapon was unthinkable just 5 years ago. The Performance Center produced only 3,000 units in the initial run, and dealers are reporting wait lists extending into next year. Number 11. The Ruger American Rimfire Target. Inside Ruger's Prescott, Arizona facility, CNC machines carve precision into American walnut as the company's newest rimfire target rifle takes shape. The American Rimfire Target represents a complete reimagining of what a .22 caliber rifle can achieve at distance. The barrel assembly alone took Ruger's engineers 2 years to perfect, cold hammer forged in a process borrowed from their centerfire rifle division. Each barrel undergoes a proprietary stress-relieving treatment that eliminates microscopic tensions that affect accuracy. The result is a 22-inch barrel that can maintain sub-half-inch groups at 50 yards with standard velocity ammunition. Ruger's target crown deserves special recognition. Cut to tolerances measured in 10,000ths of an inch, the crown ensures that gases escape uniformly around the bullet as it exits the muzzle. This level of precision was previously available only in custom rifles costing 3 times as much. The trigger mechanism represents a significant departure from Ruger's traditional designs. The adjustable target trigger breaks cleanly between 2 and 4 pounds with zero creep and minimal over travel. The trigger shoe itself can be adjusted for position, allowing shooters to customize length of pull for optimal ergonomics. But the innovation extends beyond the action. Ruger developed a proprietary bedding system that free floats the barrel while maintaining perfect alignment with the receiver. The synthetic stock incorporates aluminum pillars that prevent compression under varying temperature and humidity conditions. Early reviews from precision rimfire competitions show this rifle consistently outperforming rifles costing twice as much. Professional shooters are already switching to the American Rimfire target for National Rifle League 22 matches, where 10th-inch differences in accuracy determine winners and losers. Number 10. The Daniel Defense DDM-4, version 11. The Daniel Defense facility in Black Creek, Georgia, operates around the clock as demand for their latest AR-15 platform exceeds production capacity by 4 to 1. The DDM-4V11 incorporates technological advances that military special operations units requested but couldn't get from government contractors. Daniel Defense built this rifle around their proprietary DDM-4 rail system, machined from a single billet of aluminum using 7-axis CNC equipment. Each attachment point is torqued to specifications measured in foot-pounds rather than the finger-tight installations common with lesser manufacturers. The barrel represents a quantum leap in manufacturing precision. Daniel Defense's cold hammer forging process creates a grain structure that maintains sub-minute of angle accuracy under punishing heat, right when standard barrels would start throwing rounds wildly. Government testing shows this barrel maintaining zero even after 150 rounds fired in rapid succession. The optimized gas system reduces bolt velocity while maintaining reliable cycling across all ammunition types, extending bolt life by an estimated 40% while reducing felt recoil and muzzle rise. Each bolt is machined from Carpenter 158 steel with a proprietary friction-reducing coating, and the gas key is properly staked to strict mil-spec standards, a crucial reliability step that budget manufacturers routinely skip. Military procurement officers are already evaluating the DDM-4V11 for special operations units. Number 9. The Sig Sauer P320 Legion X Series. At Sig Sauer's New Hampshire manufacturing complex, precision tooling shapes what may be the most advanced striker-fired pistol ever created. The P320 Legion X Series incorporates features that bridge the gap between competition guns and duty weapons, creating a pistol that excels in both roles. The Legion X Series features SIG's new X-ray 3 day-night sights, which use a tritium and fiber optic combination that remains visible in any lighting condition. Unlike traditional sights that fade over time, the X-ray 3 system is powered by tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen. Thanks to physics and tritium's 12.3-year half-life, these sights maintain their self-illuminating brightness for over a decade. SIG's engineers completely redesigned the trigger mechanism for the Legion series. The trigger breaks at a consistent 4.5 pounds, with a reset that travels only 1/10 of an inch. This creates a trigger feel similar to custom competition guns while maintaining the reliability required for duty use. The grip module deserves special recognition. SIG developed a proprietary polymer compound that provides superior texture without the abrasive feel of traditional stippling. The compound includes microscopic particles that improve grip even when wet, a feature that tactical users demanded for adverse weather operations. But the real breakthrough is the slide design. SIG's engineers created weight-reducing cuts that actually improve the pistol's balance point while providing attachment points for accessories. The cuts are precisely calculated to maintain structural integrity while reducing reciprocating mass by 12%. Factory accuracy testing shows the Legion X Series producing groups under 2 inches at 25 yards with duty ammunition. Combined with the enhanced ergonomics and trigger, this pistol is setting new standards for striker-fired accuracy and reliability. Number 8. The Winchester Model 70 Super Grade Maple. Inside Winchester's facility, master craftsmen hand-select American maple blanks that will become stocks for the most beautiful production rifle Winchester has created in decades, the Model 70. Super-grade maple combines traditional Winchester craftsmanship with modern manufacturing precision. The maple stocks require 6 months of air drying before machining begins. Winchester's stockmakers hand-select each blank for grain pattern and density, rejecting pieces that don't meet their exacting standards. The finished stocks showcase maple grain patterns that rival custom gun makers, charging 10 times as much. Winchester's controlled round feed action receives special attention in the super grade. Each bolt is individually fitted to its receiver, creating tolerances measured in thousandths of an inch. The three-position safety allows unloading with the safety engaged, a feature that hunters appreciate during long days in the field. The barrel-making process incorporates techniques borrowed from Winchester's custom shop. Each barrel is button-rifled, then subjected to a proprietary stress-relieving process that eliminates internal tensions. The result is accuracy that typically requires custom barrels costing more than entire rifles. Winchester's jeweled bolt and polished action surfaces create a rifle that functions as smoothly as it looks. The bolt cycles with an effortless precision that speaks to the hand-fitting and attention to detail that goes into each rifle. Hunting guides are already reporting that clients using the super-grade maple are consistently making shots at distances they previously considered impossible. The combination of accuracy, reliability, and handling characteristics is creating a new standard for production hunting rifles. Number 7. The Remington 700 PCR Enhanced. Remington's return to precision manufacturing shows dramatically in their 700 PCR Enhanced, where computer-controlled machinery creates tolerances that exceed what their craftsmen achieved in the company's golden age. The PCR Enhanced represents Remington's commitment to reclaiming their position in the precision rifle market. The true technological magic happens right in the barrel. Remington's engineers completely revamped their manufacturing process, highly utilizing premium 5R rifling specifically designed for the PCR Enhanced. This asymmetrical rifling drastically reduces bullet deformation and significantly cuts down on internal copper fouling, meaning the rifle shoots much tighter groups and requires incredibly less maintenance between long-range sessions. Each barrel undergoes magnetic particle inspection to detect microscopic flaws that could affect accuracy. Barrels that pass inspection are then subjected to a cryogenic treatment that stress relieves the steel at the molecular level. The chassis system deserves particular attention. Remington partnered with chassis manufacturer Magpul to create an aluminum stock system that provides the adjustability of tactical rifles while maintaining the sleek aesthetics that modern shooters demand. The result is a rifle that can be customized for any shooter while maintaining its rugged appearance. But the real innovation is in the bedding system. Remington developed a series of precisely machined contact points that create perfect barrel alignment while allowing the action to flex naturally during firing. This system provides the accuracy benefits of custom bedding without requiring gunsmith services. Early accuracy reports show the PCR Enhanced consistently shooting under half-minute of angle groups with premium ammunition. Professional shooters are already adopting the rifle for Precision Rifle Series competitions, where accuracy and reliability determine championship results. Number 6. The Springfield Armory St. Victor Pistol. Springfield Armory's facility in Geneseo, Illinois, runs 3 shifts as demand for the St. Victor pistol outpaces production capacity. This AR-15 pistol platform incorporates features that make it suitable for both sporting use and serious defensive applications. The St. Victor features Springfield's proprietary AccuTight tensioning system, which eliminates play between the upper and lower receivers. This system creates a solid platform that improves accuracy while reducing wear from repeated firing. The tensioning system requires no tools and can be adjusted in seconds. Springfield developed a new buffer system specifically for the pistol platform. The buffer weight and spring rate are precisely calculated to provide reliable cycling with the shortest practical buffer tube. This attention to detail ensures the St. Victor runs reliably with all ammunition types while maintaining compact dimensions. The barrel deserves special recognition. Springfield's melanite treatment penetrates the steel surface, creating a finish harder than chrome lining while maintaining the precise dimensions required for accuracy. The treatment also provides superior corrosion resistance in environments where traditional finishes fail. Springfield's engineers redesigned the bolt carrier group for enhanced reliability. The bolt is machined from Carpenter 158 steel, then magnetic particle inspected to detect microscopic flaws. The gas key is secured using grade 8 bolts, torqued to military specifications and staked for permanent installation. Competitive shooters are discovering that the St. Victor's accuracy rivals rifles costing twice as much. The combination of precision manufacturing and attention to detail is attracting serious shooters who demand reliability without compromising performance. Number 5. The Bergara B14 Hunter. In Bergara's Spanish facility, master barrel makers apply centuries of European gun-making tradition to modern manufacturing techniques. The B14 Hunter represents the perfect marriage of old-world craftsmanship and contemporary precision manufacturing. Bergara's barrel-making process begins with steel forgings that exceed military specifications for strength and consistency. Each barrel blank is turned on CNC equipment, then button-rifled using techniques perfected by European target rifle manufacturers. The resulting barrels routinely achieve accuracy that rivals custom barrels costing 3 times as much. Number 4. The Tikka T3X TA1. At Sacco's facility in Finland, precision manufacturing meets Scandinavian design philosophy in the Tikka T3X TA1. This tactical rifle incorporates features developed for military and law enforcement use while remaining accessible to civilian precision shooters. The T3X action represents decades of refinement in bolt-action design. Tikka's engineers created an action that cycles with mechanical precision while maintaining the smooth operation that made the company famous. The bolt lift requires minimal effort, even with high-pressure cartridges, a feature that competitive shooters appreciate during long matches. Tikka's barrel manufacturing process incorporates techniques borrowed from their custom rifle division. Each barrel is cold hammer forged, then subjected to a proprietary stress-relieving treatment. The barrel is then lapped to remove microscopic tool marks that could affect accuracy. Number 3. The Knight's Armament SR-15E3 CQB Mod 2. At Knight's Armament Company in Titusville, Florida, aerospace manufacturing techniques create what may be the most advanced AR-15 platform ever produced. The SR-15E3 CQB incorporates innovations developed for special operations units that demand absolute reliability in extreme conditions. The heart of the SR-15 is Knight's proprietary bolt carrier group, machined to tolerances that exceed military specifications. Each bolt is manufactured from Carpenter 158 steel, then subjected to magnetic particle inspection and pressure testing. The bolt extension is secured using a proprietary staking process that creates joints stronger than the surrounding material. Knight's developed the new E3.2 bolt specifically to address serious reliability issues with standard AR-15 platforms. The completely redesigned E3.2 bolt features highly advanced dual ejectors that ensure positive case extraction even with damaged ammunition. Number 2. The Accuracy International AXMC Multi-Caliber. Inside Accuracy International's facility in Portsmouth, England, precision engineering creates what many consider the ultimate long-range rifle system. The AXMC multi-caliber platform allows shooters to change between different cartridges using quick-change barrel systems that maintain absolute accuracy. The AXMC action represents the evolution of Accuracy International's military sniper rifle designs. The action is machined from a single billet of steel, creating strength and dimensional consistency impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. The bolt operates with mechanical precision that speaks to the company's commitment to absolute reliability. Accuracy International's quick-change barrel system allows caliber changes in under 2 minutes without tools. Each barrel assembly includes the bolt head and magazine specific to that cartridge, ensuring optimal function with every caliber option. Number 1. The Sig Sauer Spear NGSW. At Sig Sauer's New Hampshire facility, manufacturing lines work around the clock, producing the weapon that won the U.S. Army's Next Generation Squad Weapon contract. Now officially designated the XM7, the Spear represents the most significant advancement in military small arms technology in over 60 years. The XM7 fires Sig's proprietary 6.8 by 51 mm cartridge using a hybrid steel and brass case that allows chamber pressures previously impossible with conventional brass. This technology enables the Spear to defeat body armor that stops current military ammunition entirely. Sig's engineers developed a new gas-operated system specifically for the high-pressure cartridge, incorporating variable regulation that automatically adjusts to different ammunition types while reducing wear and extending service life.